Today I have lemon, ginger, and spinach. The goal today is to make a juice. Now let's look at lemon. Lemon is a citrus fruit which is rich in vitamin C. It is believed to be good for those who want to prevent colds and flus. It makes various dishes yummy, delicious. You can squeeze the lemon juice into your marinated dishes. You can squeeze lemon when you do the fish. So today I'm going to join the lemon with the ginger. This is ginger. This is called the rhizomes of ginger. Maybe it's because of the shape. It's a root herb. This is a herb. It is also very good for the general well-being. The dietitians believe that, or they say that ginger is full of minerals and vitamins. It is good for heart health. It is good for the digestive system, and it is also good for the general well-being. So we are going to have ginger as well in our juice. So I have about 3 or 4 rhizomes of ginger. And I love the aroma of ginger. It's always fresh and soothing, and it makes a delicious part of seasoning in various dishes. So we are going to include ginger in the smoothie or in the juice. It's a juice today. It's not a smoothie today. Then I have another amazing plant. This is spinach. Look at that. Sometimes the spinach grows and has, very large blades. But this variety, the blades are not that large, and you can easily, cook them as they are. But the dietitians believe that if you take spinach in juice form, you'll have the advantage of getting all the minerals, in their original form. So why do we need spinach? This is an amazing vegetable. Spinach is believed to be rich in folic acid, iron, magnesium, potassium, so all these minerals are minerals which are really good for our well-being. And if you take spinach juice, you will enjoy it. Spinach is believed also to help with the digestive system, mental capacity, our mental health. We get help from spinach. Spinach also is good for the cardiovascular system because of the potassium in it. It is very good for the cardiovascular system. So today I'm going to include these amazing spinach leaves in our juice. So come with me today as I prepare the amazing juice. So first of all, I begin with, I just chop this lemon, because we want to have some small pieces in the blender. So without wasting any time, I'm going to chop these lemons into tiny pieces. And what I normally do is I do scud off the seeds. So just chop the lemon into tiny pieces. Hopefully the blender will manage the lemon, because the lemon skin is a bit tight. So taking off the seeds and chopping is the first task, while we will wait to have this amazing liquid we are going to have. So this is the blender we are going to use. So as I chop the lemons, I'm going to immediately throw them into the blender, into the juicer sort of. So, tiny pieces, we throw them there. And until we come up to the last ingredient. It's shaking because I'm standing on this, using this table. So I remove the seeds. The seeds of the lemon are really bitter. I don't think we would love to have them in the juice, although the juicer might crush them. But we try to avoid putting them into the juicer. So just chop the lemon into tiny pieces like I'm doing, and as you chop, the seeds will come off at ease. So just throw them there. So I've just used one lemon. If you want, you can use, the cylinder is quite big, you can use 2 lemons, but I just decided to use 1 lemon. I know we'll get enough vitamin C despite it being 1 lemon. So that's 1 lemon done. Now we go to the rhizomes, the ginger rhizomes. We are also chopping the ginger rhizomes. So I chop the ginger rhizomes, and then with the skin on, we are not removing the skin, because this will be done with the blender or the juicer. Will do everything for us. So we just help the juicer by chopping into small pieces. Amazing ginger. The aroma is amazing. Ginger has lots of minerals as well. And like I said, it is good for managing inflammation, good for, the general well-being. It helps with gut health, helps with cold and flus. This is the belief we have. So, but the other downside to ginger is that it can thin the blood. So just be careful when you take ginger. If you are on blood thinners like warfarin, just avoid the ginger. Just avoid the ginger to be on the safe side, because it really thins the blood. So we carry on with the chopping of the ginger. Carry on with the chopping of the ginger. It's a bit tough, but manageable. Oh, what is happening? It's like I'm putting a lot of force in the chopping. So now, as I continue to prepare these amazing herbs and vegetables and fruits, please do subscribe to the channel. I'll be happy if you do that. I'll be thankful. You know what? I need many, many, many subscribers. That's why I'm asking everyone watching to please subscribe. So we carry on with chopping. We are nearly there. Just help the juicer to be able to manage these ginger pieces, the ginger rhizomes. So there we go. We're nearly there with the chopping. We're nearly there chopping with the skin. And there we go. Now we are going to just put these spinach leaves into the blender. We just pile them in there, drop them in there. Wow, I love the color of the spinach. That's why it is very rich in folic acid, rich in iron, and very good for the cardiovascular system. And it gives iron to the blood. And it's like if you are suffering from anemia, you can take this spinach, and it might help. So because of the iron in it. So we are giving the spinach a place in our juice. So lemon, spinach, and the rhizomes of ginger. Just take them in there. Now we are going to juice. Turn it on. It's juicing now. Look at that. It's pressing the lemon, ginger, and the spinach. Let's see what's going to happen. The juicer is working. Look at that. I can see juice in there. Let's see. Wow, look at that. It's coming out. So look at the color. Amazing. Let's open again. That's the juice coming out. And we close again. Okay. Juice is here. Lemon, ginger, and spinach. Lemon, ginger, and spinach juice. Very good for our well-being. It is closed now here. Oh. Look at that. Now let's see how much we can get now. Wow, look at that. Look at the color of the juice. Wow, awesome. Awesome. It's grinding. It's grinding, twisting and turning. The blender is twisting and turning. It's twisting and turning there. The pulp is coming here. Pulp is there. So you have the juice and the pulp. This is an incredible machine. I really like this machine. And if I want to have pure juice, this is the way to do it. It's amazing. Let's see how much we have again. Wow, look at that. It close again. And the pulp, we have collected lots of pulp. Look at that. That's the pulp there. The lemon, ginger pulp, and spinach. Yeah, it's nearly done. I think this will be the last scoop of the juice. Let's see the last, because there's hardly any left there. So it's nearly done. This is the last opening of the this flip. Wow, look at that. So I hope you have enjoyed the production of this juice. Look at that. Look at the color. Amazing. I think I will give it a taste. Let me give it a little taste. Mm. I tell you, this is the best ever juice you can imagine. The ginger is presenting itself. The lemon, you can taste the aroma, and the spinach is just being engulfed in the ginger. This is incredible. Do try it. You will really thank me. Thanks everybody for watching. I hope you will try this juice.